Hi, my name is Eric Lichty, and I'd like to personally invite you to our estate planning workshop on August 26th. That's a Saturday, and it's just a morning only. So whether you're 19 or 91, there's things that you can learn. I'm a pastor. I'll bring a pastoral perspective. We'll have an attorney there who's very familiar with the state laws in Indiana, and then also a tax professional. What makes this unique from anything that you would get at a community center or a library or a college is that we have nothing to sell. This is purely an educational experience from a biblical perspective. And the scriptures tell us that we're stewards of the resources that God has entrusted to our care. And unless we have a carefully crafted plan, our values are not going to be attached to the valuables that God has entrusted to our care. So come on out and learn the importance of wills and trusts and what the differences are of those, whether you have power of attorneys or directives for health care and finance. Statistics tell me that 80% of you aren't up to date. And in fact, the Secure Act that was passed on December 31st last year changed a lot when it comes to estate planning. So come on out and learn. We're going to have a lot of discussion time and answering questions. So I would love to have you join us. So sign up today and we'll see you Saturday, August 26th.